Hello to all the viewers out there. I hope you all are doing great. Yeah, I've been waiting for quite some time now to make a video on the HP laptop. I got my hands on HP X2. So in this video, you will be seeing a complete unboxing and review. Without doing further much ado, let's just go ahead and do it. Alright, well, this is the box. This is HP X2 210 tablet. Now, you really must know that this is a tablet come laptop. This is some kind of code, HP X2 210 tablet. Same branding here as well. And a couple of things they have just mentioned here. It just reads as HP HQ TRE. This is Germany, and the sticker says X2 210 G1 tablet. This product is made in China, as you can see. Let's check at the flip side of the box. Detachable mode, tablet mode, and you can turn this way as well. It says global Wi-Fi access as well, and here it just reads as the product MRP is 38,867, and this was manufactured way back in March 2016. Now I really must tell you that I have been using this product for quite some time now, and I wanted to make sure that I present this to you. So what I've really done is I've just put my tablet as it was there at the time when I just received this. So this is the box which comes in. Let's just do the unboxing. I'll just cut this open. The first thing which you see is the instructions manual, and this is the Windows laptops. This is the touch gestures. Now if you can really see, it says tap or double tap to select, 2-finger pinch, zoom, 2-finger click, touchpad only, 2-finger scroll, and 1-finger slide, which is on the touchscreen only. Let me keep this aside and let me open the tablet itself. This comes like this. The box is kind of also very good. Let me just keep the laptop aside. There is a sticker here which just talks about the item code, and this is a nice sponge covering as well, and this is the tray. Alright, well, I like the packing, and let me just keep this inside. There is just another box here. Okay, well, that's the charger, and I want to show you, this is a very much long cable. This is a type C. You can really see how big it is. So this is very comfortable, and it has got the HP branding. I can really tell you that this is a very good charger, and once I put in, the first charge takes about like 10 to 12 hours. Once that, upon usage, this probably should go for about like a week or so. It doesn't really need that kind of frequent or constant charging, but this is definitely dependent upon your usage as well. Now let me take the tablet itself out. Wow, look at the sheen. This looks very nice. There is just one earphone jack, which you can see here on the sides. This is the power on off button. These are the volume rockers, and this is your data transfer port, and I think that's USB 2.0. This is the charging port. You can just put the type C. They have given another small port, and this is where you would put the SD card as well. I'm very happy that they have given the SD card slot as well. Let's look at the side profile. Let's turn at the flip side and see what does it have. This has got the Pro Windows, yes, because this was inbuilt with Windows Pro. These are some rubbers. The hinges are very strong and good. So let's just go ahead and open this. There is a gall protection which you can see. It's a good fabric. Here you can see there is the Intel branding. There is an HP logo here.
The keyboard here is full-size Allen style thin cover keyboard with image sensor.
And over here you can see the speakers. I really very well like this model, and that is the reason why I really thought to opt for this one. There is this B&O branding.
B&O are known to make good quality speakers,
and that is how HP collaborated with them for this series of laptop. There is a small camera hole, if you can see here. So let's just go ahead and power this on. I'm just gonna press this quick press once.
So while this is getting booted up, I'll share the quick specs with you. This has Intel Atom quad-core 4GB DDR3 RAM, 64GB storage capacity, X5 processor variant.
That is kind of very nice, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the password on. And this is the laptop itself. This is a very good quality of the screen, as you can see. This is Windows laptop. There is a Wi-Fi as well. If you do from the sides, you will see a menu coming up, Bluetooth. You know, there are a lot of Wi-Fi mode. My Wi-Fi, I've disconnected this automatically. You can do that as you do for your cell phones. And this is loud enough.
The quality here is also very nice, but definitely it is recommended for you to use external set of speakers if you're someone who likes to listen to the music with a very good beat.
I'm really happy for the B&O speakers here. And now, since this is the touch screen, you can either use a trackpad, which is this here, which is this, or maybe just use the touch screen. Right, say for example, I wanna open this. So let me just go ahead and double tap this, so this will be opened, right, like this. Or if I want to close it, I can just close it, or just open normally as you would do. So the very interesting feature of this product is, you know, as you can see, just go to the hardware. It says safely remove the hardware. Just right click on this one and eject the docking station. It will just say that it is safe to remove the hardware. It's here, safe to remove the hardware. Then just from left to right or right to left, just go ahead and remove this. Now here you would see it asks you, do you want to switch to tablet mode? Always ask me before the switching, so you have a couple of options to choose from. So I always ask me before choosing, and I want to switch to tablet mode. Now this is automatically, you see the tablet mode here, right? This is your menu, Cortana. Now since this is Windows, so it has got Cortana here. Right, now let me just go ahead and open up Chrome. This is very nice and this is very efficient. Trust me, if you are the one who travels a lot, because I do travel a lot, and in my personal experience, this is really like a boon to me. And it's so handy and so slick. I really love using this. Right. The touch is very nice, so quick processing. Now let me just go ahead and let me close this, and let me just go ahead and show it to you. System. These are a couple of settings that you see. Okay, let me go back to home. Right. Okay, and in order to put this back on, it's very simple. Now before that, let me show you this. These are the hinges, and this is where it connects and communicates. So very simple, just do this and zap. See the sound? Okay, now this is the normal desktop mode. Let me close this, and let me just go ahead and show you what we got here. Alright, as you can see, this is Windows 10 Pro. The processor here is Intel Atom X5 Z8300 CPU at 1.44 GHz, and this comes in like two versions. I opted for a 4GB RAM. There is one available which is a 2GB RAM, but I thought probably 4GB one is a better option. And the system type here is 64-bit operating system, and 64-base processor, of course. There is a one I think which you get in 32-bit as well. 64 definitely is much better. It's got a pen and touch support with 10 touch points, and I think that's about it here. So net, overall this is a very nice product. I can show you what happens if you want to switch it off. There are two ways of switching this off. Either you press the power button and just slide down for you to switch off, or probably just come here. Now there is an interesting mode as well. If you see here, there is nothing on the bar, right? But as soon as I take my cursor down at the bottom, you can see this coming up as well. So now this is something which you can choose in the menus and the settings. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the Windows button. Just know that there is dedicated Windows button as well here. So just do that and switch this off, shut down. Right, so that's how it is. Let me close this. So net, to give you a quick review, this is a very nice product indeed. I really am using this for quite some time now, and I'm really happy with the usage. The build quality is very good. The overall performance is very nice as well. There was hardly any time where I faced any kind of lag. So this is definitely a good buy, especially the ones, if you travel a lot. So this comes in very handy when you're sitting at the airport or when you want to do some quick task. This is definitely not like a fully loaded laptop, but this is definitely a good alternative. The best mode here is the when you remove the screen and just change that to the tablet mode. This is the best feature here which I got. So thank you so much everyone for watching. Do subscribe to this channel if you haven't done already. I'll be back with some more interesting videos for you. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.